You have a plan, so stick to it. Believe in it, believe in you, put in the work, and things will start happening for you. Won't happen overnight, but anything that's worthwhile doesn't happen overnight. It comes with hard work, so get up early, put in that work, be dedicated to it, and you will start seeing the success that you want to see in your life. Today I will share with you a morning routine that you can easily add to your morning. It has helped me be able to focus on my day and get things done. But before then, if you could take the time to please hit that red subscribe button, it would be greatly appreciated. Make a protein-rich green smoothie with spinach, 1 green apple, celery, and half of a cucumber. I also add the Milk Performance greens to give it an extra boost of flavor and taste, and an egg for protein. It's easy to make. Just add the ingredients to the blender. The egg for the protein, and a scoop of the performance greens, the Milk Performance greens. Just add that, and 6 to 8 ounces of water, and you're good to go. Now you have a healthy protein enriched green smoothie. I'm going to drink some now. So here's to you, and have a good one.